Hi there. In today's Webflow tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make repeatable instances of your elements using components. Components are just basically a nice way for you to recreate the same thing over and over again without having to actually recreating it over and over again. Simple point and click and you're all set to go. To learn more about components, click the link in the description. Within the navigator, I'm going to make sure that desktop nav is right here and it's selected. Then what I'm going to do is go to this button where it says create component. For name, I'm just going to name it custom nav. Navigation. There we go. Custom navigation. And I'm going to click on create. Now the component is already set. And once it's set, you're going to notice things are going to look a little bit different. But if you look at DT-nav, everything we used to create it is still there. And if you want to get out of this window, you could just click away. Now, if you notice within the navigator, now we're back to where we started from. And if you want to edit your custom components, all you have to do is click on the component you created, and you can edit accordingly. And then you can just exit out by clicking away. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for footer. So I'm going to click on footer. And you can also do it with right click. So you could just right click on the footer and then scroll to create component. And I'm going to call it custom footer and click on create. And again, everything we used to create the footer is now here. And I could just click away. And here in the navigator, we have everything here. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up. Now for the fun part, what we're going to do is click on the Pages button and click About. Make sure you select Body. And what we're going to do is add the custom navigation. So I'm going to use the shortcut Control E on Windows, but if you're on a Mac, obviously it's Command E. And I'm going to type custom navigation, which is right here. Don't worry about this. This was from a test I was running. So custom navigation, which is a component. And there it is right there. In the next video, we're going to populate the about page. Right now, I just want to populate it with the navigation. We'll add the footer later. Here's a quick tip. If you notice earlier in the video, I was showing you how to add the custom navigation elements. And if you notice, custom nav was already populated. That was because I was running a test. So say, for example, you don't need any more components. What you can do is go to the components tab right here. And you're going to see a list of components you have. And if you notice, it says instances. That is to show you that this particular component is being used on different pages or different segments within a page. And right now, custom footer is only used in the home page. Right now, I'm just going to go to custom nav because I don't need that right now. And I'm going to click the three dots and click on delete. And then click delete again.